Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, today we're putting three powerful productivity tools head to head: Amplenote, Noteplan, and Notion. Each of these apps brings something different to the table, so let's break it down to help you choose the best one for your workflow in 2025. Let's start with Amplenote. This one is all about combining note taking with task management. What sets it apart is its flexible note linking system and jots, notes, and task structure. You can turn any note into a to-do list, assign due dates, and organize tasks using a priority-based system they call the task score. It's designed for people who want to stay productive without switching between apps. Plus, the bi-directional linking and daily notes features make it great for building a personal knowledge base over time. Now on to Noteplan. This one is ideal for people who love planning their day in a calendar-style layout. It has a daily note system integrated with a calendar, making it super useful for time blocking and managing recurring tasks. Its strength lies in Markdown support, Apple ecosystem integration, and a minimalist interface. Noteplan really shines for those who love structured planning, but it might feel a bit limited if you're after more flexible databases or heavy project collaboration features. And then there's Notion. This is the powerhouse when it comes to customization. It's not just a note-taking app, it's a full workspace. You can build pages, databases, Kanban boards, wikis, and more. It's perfect for team collaboration, project management, or building out complex systems. The trade-off? It can feel overwhelming for new users and sometimes slower than simpler apps. But if you're into building your own productivity setup from scratch, Notion gives you the tools to do just that. So which one's better? If you want a balance between notes and tasks with solid productivity features, Amplenote might be your pick. If you're focused on time blocking and love clean, daily planning, go with Noteplan. And if you're all about customization, collaboration, and building a digital workspace that does it all, Notion is the way to go. Whichever you choose, each tool is powerful in its own right. It just depends on how you like to think, plan, and get things done.